Welcome. If you're looking to save storage space and speed up your WhatsApp backups, you might want to stop videos from being included in your chat backups. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off WhatsApp backup with videos on your Android device. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're on the main chat screen. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to WhatsApp's main settings page, where you can manage all your preferences. Now, tap on the option labeled Chats. This section controls everything related to your conversations. Inside the Chats menu, scroll down and select Chat Backup. Here, you'll find all the backup options for your messages and media. On the Chat Backup page, look for the switch or toggle labeled Include Videos. By default, this might be turned on, meaning videos are included in your backups, which can take up a lot of space and bandwidth. To stop videos from being backed up, simply toggle off the Include Videos switch. Once it's off, only your text messages and photos will be included in future backups, making the process faster and less demanding on your storage. And that's it. You've successfully turned off WhatsApp backup with videos. This small change can help you save storage on your device and reduce backup times. If you ever want to include videos again, just follow these steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. For more tips and guides like this, be sure to check out our other videos. Stay connected and keep your chats streamlined.